Conversations with people about poaching eggs, a few people, and a few people have commented and said, oh, I've seen them do it on TV and I've tried to copy it, and they use a saucepan with lots of water in it and they put salt in it or they put vinegar in the water and they swirl it and swirl it and swirl it and then put the egg in the middle, and when I do it, it doesn't work. And when they've been for breakfast at my house, they've always said, oh, how do you poach your eggs? Because they always come out fine. So I thought I'd show you. Just use an ordinary frying pan. It doesn't have to be this deep, doesn't have to be this round. You know, it can be any size you like depending on the number of eggs you want to cook. So, nothing special, everyone's got one. You want a soft spatula that people use for pulling cake mix out of bowls, nothing special. And a skimmer, spoon with holes in. Again, nothing special. Most people have got something like it kicking around in the kitchen, and it works just fine. So, not doing anything special to the frying pan. Just putting in about 30 ml, 3 centimetres of hot water from a kettle. Not adding any salt, not adding any vinegar, not adding anything. I'm just going to let that come to the boil, and you can see the water's boiling, it's bubbling quite hot. So I'll turn the gas down to almost nothing, or off if that's easier, and just let the water settle. You don't want it swirling, you don't want it moving, just wait till the bubbles drop off to, you know, almost nothing. Now you can break the eggs into the pan yourself, or you can break them into a cup. I do this, it's quicker, it's easy, I've got no shells to get rid of, I can control how slowly it goes in, and I don't drop shell in the water. So just doing 3 eggs. So you see, just break them in, little tiny bit of shell under that one I think, and we let them sit. And that's on a low heat, the water has been almost boiling in there. You can edge the heat up just a little bit, and then just let the eggs sit there. Don't mess around with them, don't play with them, just leave them there. And you'll see already we're not even a minute in and the white is starting to harden. It's cooking. So we'll just leave those to do their thing. Takes about 3 minutes. So now the eggs have got a bit of shape to them and they're starting to firm up. This is where this comes in. Because you're cooking in shallow-ish water, just about enough to cover the egg, the yolk is heavy when you drop it in and they tend to stick. Not seriously, but enough that you can't freely move them. So just push this along the bottom till the egg floats away. There we go. 3 loose floating poached eggs. Nothing to it. Don't have to swirl the water. Don't have to boil the hell out of them. Don't have to do anything really. I'm adjusting the heat a little bit here just to keep it nice and low. You can also use your spatula just to flick a bit of warm water, hot water, over the yolks, depending on how you like them done. Just as you would a fried egg. So that's about it. Knock the heat off, and I will spoon these out. So in goes the skimmer. There we go. A perfect poached egg. every time. There's nothing to it. 3-4 minutes, you got a poached egg. So, move my pan out of the way. You can see I've put 3 poached eggs on 3 cooked waffles. There we go. How easy was that?